I'm Molly and today I'm going to be filming this sunset smoke look. I'm here with Feelunique filming my stage 2 and my tomorrow's top vlogger entry. So I've already drawn my eyebrows on with an NYX brow pencil and then I've neatened them up with NARS concealer, and I'm going to add some more NARS concealer onto my lid to act as a base for my eyeshadow. So once I've buffed all my concealer out, I'm going to go straight in with Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm going to use this darkest shade here, this dark purpley colour. And I'm going to go in with the Lime Crime eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the shade Dragon Fruit to start blending that dark purple out. I'm going to start to go in with an orange shade now. I'm going to use this sleek eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use this orange shade. Then we're going to go back into a Lime Crime palette. I'm going to use the shade Jackfruit this time. I'm going to start going back in with my colours again. I'm going to use this Lime Crime palette again and I'm going to go back in with my pink colour again. And then we're going to add another brighter pink. And then we're going to go back in with Urban Decay Born to Run palette and first colour that we used, Hell Ride. Then we're just going to go back in with a big fluffy brush and we're just going to blend all around his edges. And now we're going to cut his crease or his eye so we can get a nice sharp line and then we can make his lid look lighter. So for that I'm just going to use NARS Cream Concealer again, a really small lip brush to then cut my lid out. And then to set his lid we're going to go in with white first and then his yellow and then his orange and his pink. Then you're going to go back in with a smaller brush again in that nice purple shade and you're just going to buff that down onto your lid as well. So I've just popped my lashes on and now I'm going to go underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to pop that NARS concealer all underneath my eyes first and then just buff it in with a slightly bigger fluffy brush. We're going to do the same underneath his eyes again. So we're going to start with his darkest colour first out of his Born to Run palette, just underneath his lashes. Then we're going to go in with his Lime Crime Dragon Fruit colour. Then we're going to go in with his Luminous Orange. Then you're going to go back into your Lime Crime palette again, into the shade Jackfruit. That's my eyes done and now I'm going to go on to my foundation. For my foundation I'm going to use NARS Radiant Long Wear Foundation. I'm just going to put it on first with my finger and then I'm just going to start buffing it with a fluffy brush. Blend it out. Then to go around your eyebrows you're going to use just a slatter brush. Now we're going to go back in with his concealer again, just add a little bit more brightness underneath his eyes and in the middle of his forehead. So for my contour I'm going to go in with NARS Laguna Bronzer. I'm just doing them small buffing motions again. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to use this e.l.f. blush palette and I'm going to mix these two shades together. This one's really nice because it gives you a nice bit of a glow as well. Now I'm going to go in with my highlighter. This is my favourite highlighter. It's the MARY LOU Manizer by theBALM. And now for my lips, I'm going to line my lips with NARS lip liner. And then to finish my lips off, I'm going to use this Bourjois 3D gloss. And I'm going to blend my lip liner in with that. Thank you very much for watching this look. Every product that I use you can buy on Feelunique. Bye!